Hey everybody, welcome back. We are in the Aframe Cafeteria here in the base area, still talking about our 75% landfill diversion goal and featuring one of our most effective tactics when it comes to reducing waste, which is, of course, reducing our overall use of stuff. Reducing, it's one of the 3 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle, that you learned about as a kid. And here in the cafeteria, as well as up at BML, one of the most impactful things that we do is utilize virtually all durable materials when it comes to our plates and cups and cutlery and our lunch trays. All of that stuff is reusable and washable, and that allows us to avoid literally tons of single-use plastic and paper and other disposable items. 2 of our other on-mountain restaurants, the 6 Alley as well as Il Refugio, are even more forward-thinking with their use of durable goods. Il Refugio at the top of the mountain just opened 2 weeks ago. They are virtually a zero-waste facility. You will not, as a lunch-having guest, interact with any single-use disposable items in that restaurant. 6 Alley, not quite as good, but pretty darn good. And even at Style Hung, our new on-mountain German-style restaurant, we've got real forks and knives, and virtually all the other items you'll encounter are recyclable or compostable there as well. Another super impactful part of the reduction aspect of our waste reduction goal is the use of our bottle filling stations that we have here in the A-frame as well as up at BML. We know that single-use plastic water bottles have long-lasting and far-reaching environmental effects. We also still know that about 80% of them do not get recycled. So here at the basin, where we've got these bottle filling stations in all of the high traffic areas and all the places where we have running water, Refugio and Style Hung not included. We have those bottle filling stations where we, over the course of the past few seasons, have saved hundreds of thousands of single-use plastic bottles. So we really strongly encourage you folks to bring your own reusable water bottles here next time you're skiing at the basin. We also, of course, sell them in Arapahoe Sports downstairs from me here. We've got great hot drink vessels as well that further reduce our need for those single-use items. And just want to say thank you again for joining us. Check us out next week when we'll talk a little bit more about some of the specific guidelines when it comes to our recycling and composting streams. We will see you then.